Today, we'll be testing your knowledge with an HTML quiz. Whether you're a beginner or brushing up on your skills, these questions help you better understand web development. Which HTML tag is used to create a hyperlink? Correct answer is B. Which HTML tag is used for the largest heading? Correct answer is C. What is the correct HTML tag for inserting a line break? Correct answer is C. Which attribute is used to specify the path to an image in an IMG tag? Correct answer is B. Which HTML tag is used to display a horizontal line? Correct answer is A. Which tag is used to define a division or section in an HTML document? Correct answer is D. Which tag is used to group inline elements in a document? Correct answer is A. Which attribute in HTML form specifies where to send the form data when a form is submitted? Correct answer is C. What is the correct way to make a text italic in HTML? Correct answer is B. Which attribute is used in HTML to specify that an input field must be filled out? Correct answer is A. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more amazing coding videos.